This is Vera. She is Rosa's mother. She is a simple loving woman who has given her whole life to her family. And this is Boris, Rosa's father. He is old and tired. But his love for his family has never grown old.
Vera. Where is Rosa? She is very quiet this morning.
She went outside early. She is watering the vegetables already.
That girl never stops working. She wakes before everyone.
She has a good heart, Boris. She never complains about anything.
I know. That is what worries me sometimes.
What do you mean by that?
Good people suffer the most in this world. I just want her to be safe and happy.
Me too. Every single day. I pray for that.
This is Rosa. She is kind, innocent, and works hard without being asked. She is the heart of this family.
Good morning, Mama. Good morning, Papa. The tomatoes are ready. We can use them today.
Come. Breakfast is almost ready.
Where is Daniel? Did he leave already?
He left 1 hour ago. He had an early job today.
He never eats breakfast properly. He just runs out the door every morning.
That is your brother. He was the same even as a child.
He carries too much on his shoulders. I wish I could still work and help him.
Papa, please do not say that. You gave us everything when you were strong. Now it is our turn.
You are a good daughter, Rosa.
This is Adam. He is Rosa's neighbor. He has loved her quietly for 2 years. But he has never said a single word about it.
Good morning, Rosa. You started early today.
I always start early, Adam. You know that.
I brought some eggs from our chickens. My mother said to give them to your mother.
You always bring something. Tell your mother she does not need to do this every time.
She wants to. She says your mother makes the best bread in the village. This is her way of getting some.
Then tell her to just come and ask. She does not need to send eggs.
I will tell her. She is too shy to ask directly.
Your mother is shy, but you are not. You find a reason to come here every single day.
I was just passing by.
You live next door, Adam. Where exactly were you passing to? Come inside. Made fresh bread this morning. Come and eat with us.
Are you sure? I do not want to bother anyone.
You have been our neighbor for 6 years. You are not a bother. Come.
One day I will tell her everything. Just not today.
Adam. Come sit down, son.
Thank you, Aunt Vera.
How is your mother doing?
She is fine, Uncle Boris. She sent these eggs for you.
She is too kind. Tell her I will visit her soon.
Vera. We need to think about Rosa's marriage. Time is not waiting for us.
I know, Boris. But finding a good boy is not easy. We have nothing to offer.
Mama, please. Not now.
This is important, Rosa. Your brother works alone. He cannot carry us forever.
I will ask around the village. Maybe someone knows a good family.
Do that soon, Vera. Do it soon.
Thank you for breakfast, Aunt Vera. I should go now.
Take some bread for your mother.
Thank you. I have to say something soon. Before it is too late.
This is Victor. He came from the city. He looks like a good honest man. He is not.
Good morning. Beautiful village you have here.
Thank you, sir.
My name is Victor. I came from the city. I am looking for a peaceful place to settle down.
I hope you find what you are looking for.
I think I already have. Young. Innocent. No education. No experience with city men. This family will say yes before I even finish asking.
This is Aunt Betty. She knows every family in this village. Every secret. Every weakness. And she is never too proud to use that knowledge for money.
Good morning, Auntie. Can I sit with you for 1 minute?
You are not from here. What do you want, son?
I saw a girl at the well just now. Her name is Rosa. Do you know her family?
I know them very well. Why are you asking?
I want to marry her. I come from a good family. I have money. I am serious.
You just arrived this morning. And you already want to marry someone.
When a man knows he knows. I need someone to approach her family for me. Someone they trust.
And what do I get for this?
$500. Half now. Half after they say yes.
Rosa is a good girl. Her family is poor but honest.
And I will give her a good life. Everything she never had. What is wrong with that?
I will visit her mother tomorrow morning.
I knew you were a smart woman.
$500. Rosa will be fine. A rich husband is better than a poor one anyway. Vera. Vera dear. I have wonderful news for you.
Betty. What happened? You look very excited.
What is going on, Betty? You look like you won something.
A young man came to me yesterday. He is from the city. He has money. He has a good family. And he wants to marry Rosa.
What did you say?
He saw Rosa at the well yesterday morning. He said he has never seen a girl like her. He is serious, Vera. Very serious.
Who is this man? What is his name?
His name is Victor. He is educated. He drives a good car. He dresses well. He told me he wants to give Rosa everything she never had.
Boris. Boris, do you hear this?
God heard our prayers, old woman. He finally heard us.
He wants to come and meet the family properly. He is a respectful man. He will do everything the right way.
Tell him to come. Tell him we are ready. Tell him to come as soon as possible.